Akeit Community is one of the beneficiaries of the Tonda Foundation and Korean Hope Foundation Safe and Clean Water Provision projects. This community is located in Mukura Town Council, Kapir County in Ngora District, and is facing an acute water crisis that is affecting not only their livelihoods but also the education of over 1,000 young learners.
We have water. We are all parents, I know, in this room, and we have been going to those schools. Whenever I move across the district, I keep standing and looking at these children struggling for water. Yesterday I came in around lunchtime, Chair, and if you move around yourself, you have been seeing around lunchtime, children are lining at some boreholes. Some of the boreholes actually community boreholes, not even school boreholes. So you just see uniforms lining up to take water for lunch.
These young learners are facing numerous challenges due to the lack of access to clean and safe water. Let's hear from them. Catherine Amujal is a primary 7 pupil at Akeit Primary School. She expresses fears surrounding the lives of girls due to this water crisis.
So it is far for us to go for the well. We are likely to meet peer groups of people who take marijuana. They are likely to rape us. So for us girls, during our menstruation periods, we need to bathe 3 times a day. But the challenge of water, we are not bathing 3 times.
Frederick Alan Onyait is one of the Akeit Primary School learners, also in Primary 7. He fears that the challenges with water accessibility may lead to their poor performance in the primary living examinations, since they spend much of their time looking for water.
Then sometimes we go back to school without water, and if there's a shortage of food, there is no water, we are performant, and we want some volunteers people to help us.
The women in the community also face difficulties. The women constantly have to wait for the dirt to settle down in the water before they can draw it for their household use. And even then, the water is not clean enough. Let's hear from Grace Amuge and Sarah.
Arengo da tutona pajaye atekerena pona ne manyita nga ne konye dodo akiroto ne jaisa ne langiri kiti so no inge sakira kipi mamete sa kip akipi ni masi sa ne to na to sama ipoyo rene maseti bareni lwasete dumbere jeme kita itukuto.
We have here is on the water. Early in the morning we always wake up at around 5 o'clock. We leave our children crying, coming here, people are so many, and even the water is dirty. You take water home, children wants to drink like that, then after children will fall sick. Cough, diarrhea, everything. The issue of even red eyes, you see they tell us, wash your eyes with clean water. Coming here, water is very dirty.
But the water crisis is not just affecting their daily lives, it's also taking a toll on their health. As the local leaders say that the community is sick and the lack of access to clean water is one of the main causes.
Water in Akeit since the beginning and even the creation, we have never had a borehole in Akeit village. We are sharing with the animals, snakes, and we are drinking dirty water.
Born of this area, we have many challenges, mostly water, as you see. You even direct your camera where we got water.
The human beings to share water with the animals, it brings a lot of problems. One of it is diseases. So most of the people are crying there's this disease which is current now, the red eye. It has affected most of the people. And the water they are using is dirty. And the prevention measures they are giving the community, they are telling the community, is to use clean water. But when they use that water, that implies that that disease will still continue on them.